Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted new and pre-owned automotive dealership, located at 46-05 Northern Boulevard, Queens. Introducing this pre-owned 2020 Acura Mdx with the technology package in black metallic. This luxurious SUV offers a host of safety features. Equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, this Mdx prioritizes safety. Indulge in comfort with leather-trimmed seats, heated front seats, and a tri-zone automatic climate control system, providing a pleasant environment for everyone on board. The advanced infotainment system with a touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation enhances convenience and entertainment during your journeys. Considering the blend of safety, comfort, and technology, this Mdx is an excellent choice for discerning buyers. Whether you're planning family trips or daily commuting, this reliable and well-equipped SUV will elevate your driving experience and cater to your diverse needs with ease. Come by Northstar and enjoy a relaxed test drive experience. Our friendly staff is here to assist you in finding the perfect vehicle that suits you. Unlocking possibilities, delivering quality, only at Northstar Kia, your premier destination for new and used cars.